In a world where cats walk upright, wisdom is measured in purrs. 5 guardians gather under moonlight. The king declares, "Humans have forgotten us." The scholar warns, "They may fear us." The warrior growls, "Let them see our strength." The healer replies, "Strength without compassion is claws without paws." They step onto the balcony, tails flicking in unison. Moonlight glows in their eyes. A single purr echoes, and the Council of Cats fades into legend. If you love cats, please like and subscribe.